Okay guys, so as someone who has been trying ways to make money online and has been researching typing jobs online, I can tell you that there are lots of typing jobs out there, but the problem is most of you don't really know how to find these jobs. And I'm going to show you the smartest and the easiest way to do this, where you can find the ones without experience, whether you're a student, no matter your location, you can find one for your location, and also you can find ones that will give you specifically anything you want, be it part-time or full-time typing jobs. But all you need to do is to do the right search, and that is why a lot of people have not really been able to find one. So we're going to do this in different categories. We're going to search for both the ones that are latest, that are being posted online, or the ones that are being posted by some of these online websites that house some of these typing jobs, because most companies don't really get to post these jobs, online on their platforms. They chose to give it to all these recruitment companies online to help them post and sort for the right applicants for them to do the job. So that is basically why it is seeming a little bit difficult for people to find the right typing jobs. And Google is more than enough for you to use to find whatever you're searching for on the internet at the moment. So the first step is to look for all these recruitment companies that are helping companies recruit the right candidates for the jobs. And the way you can go about searching for this using Google is to go to Google and type sites, you put semicolon, apply, new typing jobs remote. Now what this is going to do is going to give you all the typing jobs on all these websites that are very much new, the ones that are newly posted, so you can see them and then make applications. That is if you're okay or comfortable with it. Now you can see websites like Upwork, Indeed, Flex Jobs, Remotive, and Working Nomads Jobs. So this is an example of what you are going to stand to see if you use this technique, like you can see on the screen, to look for the job you're looking for. So that is number one. So the number two way we're going to do this is to use filter. Now a lot of us don't really know the importance of the tools that we have on Google and how to use them. So take for instance, if you go to Google and then you type something like remote jobs, and then you're going to see the remote jobs that are available. So what you're going to do is, depending on what you want, if you want the work from home remote job, you can find it here. The non-experienced remote jobs, you can find it for student worldwide, part-time, near me, data entry, and a lot of things. So that is how to specify the ones you want. Now any one you want, you click on it. However, if you want to check the latest one, you can go here where it says tools. You click on tools, and then you can also filter with some of these filters you see here anytime, because most of these jobs you don't really get to know when they were actually posted. So you can go and be applying for jobs that were posted like 2-3 years ago without knowing that they are outdated. So you can use this anytime filter to filter for the past 1 hour, past 24 hours, anytime, past week, past month, past years. I will not advise you to use anytime. It is better for you to use past hour or past 24 hours. That way you can find the latest jobs. So that is how you can basically do this using Google. Now that being said, the next one you're going to use is the Boolean search. Now this is very, very popular because a lot of people talk about Boolean search on Google. Now what you're basically going to do is just to go to Google and type quotation mark remote typing jobs, and or you can use or hiring now. So what you're going to use hiring now is because you want to know the latest ones that are hiring people to do typing jobs for them at the moment. So once you have typed that, then you can also go down to work from home, non-experience, near me, or worldwide. So with near me, as long as your location is on, Google can track the typing jobs around you, and then they're going to show it to you on your screen, so you can see the ones that are available on my screen right now. So that is another way you can actually do this, and then you get to find remote jobs that are available. Now another thing is, if you have a particular company you're bearing in mind, I'll advise you, which is another way, for you to go to the career page of the company and check if they have available jobs on their sites, because sometimes they might not really post it on LinkedIn or some other places. They can choose to advertise it on their company website. That is another way of driving traffic. So you can use that, target some of these companies, especially companies that deal with customer service related issues or human resource related issues, you can check on their career page to see if there is any job opening that you can actually apply to when it comes to typing jobs. Okay guys, so before we continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any other videos we're going to make in the future. We really appreciate you for your support. Now the last one we're going to talk about is one that will require you to do a little bit of work, but it's going to pay off. That means you're going to tell Google what you're interested in, and the way to do that is by setting up to Google Alert. Now this is another Google tool that helps Google know what you're interested in, and once they know and you have set the alerts, Google is going to be giving you updates about what you're interested in. So if you're interested in typing jobs, you can set a Google alert towards typing jobs, and you can actually filter this to your location or to the type of jobs you want, so that once Google gets any of these jobs, immediately they're sending you the alert, and you stand the chance of being one of the first people to apply to these jobs and you stand the chance of getting the job. So if you're interested, you can go to Google and search for Google Alert. You set up your account with Google as long as you have a Gmail that you're using with the Google search you're using. So once you have done that, you are going to be getting alerts from Google once there are jobs available. So I hope this video was helpful. Alright, so if you're looking for other ways to find typing jobs apart from what I have just mentioned, I have series of typing jobs video on my channel you can check out, and hopefully it works for you. If you've learned something new, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We are really grateful to you all for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.